Hi, good morning. This is Prakkash. Hope you all doing good. Today I select the topic is say no to the heart attack. Nowadays 30 age to 40 age people also getting heart attack very easily. So now I explain some home remedies to prevent from heart attack. This is very useful video. Kindly watch carefully. Now I am telling what are the ingredients do you want to make this one. First take 2 glass of water and a small piece of ginger chopped well, remove the skin. Third, you want a garlic 7 pieces, and finally you need cinnamon powder. Now let me explain how to make. Take one boiling container, put a 2 glass of water and add the lemon, cut it into small pieces but don't remove the skin, and add the ginger. After that add the garlic. After that finally put the 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Make it boil until the 2 glass water reduced to 1 glass. Make it in a low fire. After it's reduced the water, make it filter. After that add half teaspoon of organic honey. It is best for you. Don't use the market local honey. Try to buy the organic honey and mix well. And you have to take that one at the early morning in the empty stomach for just 5 ml. Don't take much, just take 5 ml. This one you can take weekly 1 time, monthly 3 times. So if you do like this, it should be prevent you from the heart attack. So kindly share this message with your family and friends. Please follow this recipe. This video I make only for those who have heart diseases. Bad cholesterol will remove, and what are the heart problems which you have will be solved naturally. Thank you. Have a good day.